We've lived on the Earth for a long time, and we've gotten pretty good at it. In fact, we've gotten so good at it that we've started thinking about living somewhere else. Somewhere like another planet, or even somewhere as close as our moon. Now, one of the reasons we're so good at living on the Earth is that it has pretty much everything we need. Somewhere like the moon doesn't. So if we want to live on the moon, we're going to need to take a few things with us. And what are the three basic things we need in order to live? That's right, food, water, and air. Let's start with air. The moon has none. Humans need a combination of gases in order to breathe like we do here on Earth. So what happens when we start running out? We can bring more, but that gets expensive. So we need to find a way to make some more on our own. How about adding some plants? Plants take our carbon dioxide and convert it into oxygen. And as a convenient byproduct, we can eat them too. That helps solve our food problem. But we're forgetting one thing. Both humans and plants need water. We'll bring some to start, and we've come up with some clever ways of recycling it. That can keep us going while we search for water or ice. So we have our food, our water, and air. What else do we need to deal with? That's right, the sun. The sun helps plants grow, and we can use solar panels to give us power. But too much sun can be dangerous. On the Earth, we're protected by our atmosphere, so we get just enough sunlight. But on the moon, there is no atmosphere, so we need to protect ourselves from all that radiation. So now we're living happily on the moon. But what happens when we want to do something like order a pizza? Well, on Earth, we just pick up the phone. We can do the same thing on the moon, but it's not that simple. We need satellites to make that call. But seriously, folks, our scientists on the moon will be doing more than just ordering pizza. They'll be sending lots of information back to the Earth so we can learn more about our new environment. And when it comes to living in space, the more we know, the farther we can go.